I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable the head gestures feature on your Apple AirPods. To be clear, this feature is only available on AirPods Pro 2 or AirPods 4 and newer models. Step 1. Put your Apple AirPods in your ears and then tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap the name of your AirPods in this menu. You'll land on a menu with settings options for your earbuds. Step 3. Scroll down this menu and then tap Head Gestures. The next screen lets you know that enabling head gestures for your AirPods will allow you to use your head to accept or decline phone calls and interact with or dismiss announced notifications. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Head Gestures. The Head Gestures feature will be enabled on your Apple AirPods going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.